Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet bat subscribe ya u khubor bam ta kasngi. Kaburam bat kanam kalong kabakong san ye kibriu ki badan nam bat yo nam. Uba alan marbanyang bat kakong wandalin sim yong kalayo buram na ka sorkar halor ka jingjab gold medal ha ka arm wrestling. Ya kanila pelong ha sosotham auditorium bat lapanya dak office jong ka director general of police Meghalaya. Ka Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya kala ai buram kerpang ya ka kongwan dalins imyong bat uba alan marbanyang kibala wanra nam bat buram sha ka jilla. Da ka bajab gold medal ha ka limpung arm wrestling kabala long ha ka lengkari India. Ka kongwan dalin bat uba alan kila mi khmat na ka jilla ha ka jinyakom bala pelong ha Maharashtra ha kini ki khindiat sngi bala letno. Kilala ban pelim ya ki nong yakun ki batibit na ki wepat ki jilla bat yo ora ya ka nam job ka bakraw. U Ministry Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs ulaong kani ka jingjob jong ki angut kadai ka jing terwa mensim ka bakraw ya ki samla ka jilla ki badan sap ha ki kam sport ban nang ya shaprang bat ban penpau ya la ka sap ha ka rinsan jong ka perthai. Ka Sorkar lingba ka office jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kala penpau ya ka jingsong sarong. Bala pentik naru ban ai jingkershan ha ki jingile kai sport da ka ba pentbin ya ki jingile kai ai jingirap pisa bat pentrekam ya ki skim bakerpang na ka benta ki samla ki badan sam. Ka jingyo nam jong ka kong wan dalin bat ba alan kala pen I ba ki samla Meghalaya ki long ki bala ban jam sha ki rinsan ki bahe lada ki don ka jingtrai shitam jingsha senyang bat ka jingkershan ka babiang. Kani kadai ka jinyat linti sya kalawe ba pernai ha ka sports ka jila sedang berpau syabat bagi sama di Medina bat ladan kampan ai ka jinyaram ka bapu ka Ibabut kita ba national jongki bat ka sports ha ka jila ila berpau ka jingsmok nan bat sa sarong halor ka jingjong ka jingkemen ka kiyo bat kendang ni syusyo kinangilak kai ka batibit na ka jila sya ka kinsa.
For the written exam is completed, and now we are in the compiling stage. So hopefully very soon we'll be able to declare the result of those exams which was already held.
What is the total number of persons?
It's quite. I don't have right now the detailed numbers, but it is not less than 36, 37. Not less than 36, 37.
There are some allegations about some written examination, some anomalies.
Yes, of course. Initially, some complaints reached to my table also, and then I've asked DG to find out the facts, the truth, if there is any kind of unfair means done in the examination centers. But ultimately, we got all the details, and we found out that there was no such unfair means done in the examination centers throughout the state.
Coming to yesterday's follow-up meeting, can you tell us what is the current status of the border in view of Assam?
We already had a meeting with all the concerned departments. We have already instructed the DGP and also all the concerned district administration, the SPs, to be more vigilant in case if there is any kind of influx through Assam, or if there is any kind of trying to enter the state of Meghalaya. We have already alerted, and we have already instructed also to all the district administration, both DC and the SP.
So any detection till now?
Till today, no information yet. We are yet to get any information, and we will update you if you have any detection. If you get any detection, I think, as I said, we will come back.
Lastly, on the border talks, of course, a few incidents after the incidents. So what is the status now?
Well, the status right now, in fact, we are waiting the date from our counterparts, because as I said to you, from Assam side they have 3-4 chairmen of different locations. So whereas this side we have in the West Kasil side, where but Paul Limdok is the chairman, and then Riboy side and Block 2, I am the chairman, and Janji Hills side and Block 1 is Esdar is Christian as the chairman. So ultimately, as I said, we have already requested our counterpart to fix the date, which is convenient to vote. So let us wait and see whether the date is available or not for them. Because I've already told you once, I think almost all parties, even all MLAs, all ministers, it seems they are also busy preparing for the next general election, which is to be held in Assam next year.
So the site visit also, a request has been made, joint visit to the border.
Yeah. We have already requested. We have already requested that, and let us see. And once we get the indication from their side, then we will accordingly fix it.
We are coming to the immigrants issue. The border security force also has been alerted.
Yes, that also. In fact, be it the BSF, be it the customs, be it our police from the state, we are on the job, and then we are already instructed all the concerned forces to be more vigilant and to be more proactive to detect those illegal immigration if it happens in any parts of our state. Okay?